Ooh, what's up guys? It's your mom Melvin here, and I just came back from Wonderland, as you can see right here, and I picked up this revolver airsoft gun. I actually saw a plastic one with a scope on top. I got that one, but then I just realized it was plastic, so I had to return it, and I got this metal one right here. So let's get this opened. As weight, it is pretty decent. It's actually pretty heavy. It's metal. The quality of the box is pretty good, cause like some of the airsoft boxes, it's like really bad. Okay, right here. So as you can see in the box, it's actually metal and it's silver, but when you open it, it's black. So I wasn't expecting that. Get this open. It's a foam, which is really good. Oh gosh. Ooh, this is heavy. It feels really nice. Look at that. I'm spinning it. Dude, this is really nice. Now it comes with a few BB bullets, not a lot, but at least we got some. Right here we got the rounds. You're actually not shooting these. These are the ones that store the BB bullets. Just in case if the round here breaks, then you can replace it with these ones. Look. Or we can have these ones and put it in after using it. So yeah, this is actually really cool. It's really handy. So let's get this opened, load them up. As you can see right here, you can actually push them out. And then I pushed it out. So many. So right here, put the BB inside of here. Right there. I think it only fits one, so let's try it out. So just put your BB bullet inside it, as you can see. Load it up. Now shoot it. Pull the trigger. Like, actually don't. Oh my gosh, that is insane. I bet the firepower is really good. So I'm gonna test it out with my Beretta and my Glock 17. So guys, we're gonna be testing out on this Coca-Cola slushy box. I don't really care about it, so don't break it. Okay, so my arsenal of pistols right here. First of all, we're gonna test out the Beretta. It's a hybrid of the Beretta and the Eagle, so you know. Now coming closer. I'll shoot that. Okay, so as you can see right here, it didn't make it through. So it just made a dent. It didn't make it through. Okay. Now onto the Glock. The Glock is slightly more powerful than the gun I used just now, so hopefully it will make it through. Three, two, one. Ooh, again, it did not make it through. But it made a larger dent. This is the Beretta, this is the Glock, so it's a lot larger. Now on to the revolver. So guys, I just loaded it up because I already cocked it, so I gave it 6 rounds so we can have a clear look at it. What is happening with this? Okay, so made a clear shot right here. It the shot wasn't that powerful. So, I have to say the revolver is pretty weak. It looks pro, but it's actually weak. And you can have a close look right here. So guys, I'm gonna give you I'm gonna let you to try to spot the bullet. Like just now when I shot it, the Beretta shot it way further than the revolver. So the revolver is only for the looks. Let's look. Okay, onto the revolver. So, as you saw, the Beretta shot like a few meters more than the revolver. So this is the end of the revolver test and review and unboxing. So if you guys like this, smash that like button down below. If we hit 20 likes, then I will be doing more gun reviews, unboxings, and tests. By far, this is actually my favorite gun. So yeah, hopefully you smash that like button down below to get 20 and stay cool.